I'm Abigail M. Schilling, and I should be Southwest's new blogosspondent. Why? Because I love Southwest. I love the great customer service, the on-time flights. I love that there's no fees. I love that there's cheap fares. I love what Southwest is doing for the planet with recycling. I love what they're doing in the communities. I love Southwest Airlines. You probably want to know why I'll be the best blogosspondent. Well, let me tell you. I love to travel. I love to talk. I love to talk about travel. I love to learn. I like to talk about what I've learned. And, of course, I like to talk about what I've learned traveling. As you can tell, I like to talk. I also like to meet new people. I like to meet new people when I travel. I like to tell people about what I learned traveling. And I like to talk. So, as you can see, I'm Southwest. Here's some nuts.